Hey guys, my name is Khan and welcome to the new episode. In this video, I'm going to teach you about what is single candle mitigation entry and how you can trade it. You don't need to wait for the chalk pause and wait for the mitigation order block and then take entry. In this case, you can take entry based on the single candle order block. You have to wait for the few things. So this video is going to be very game changer for you, and this video will definitely improve your trading skill and stacking your multiple position. Mostly single candle mitigation entry used for the multiple position and stacking multiple position into downside and upside. So I will show you exactly that how you can add multiple position, and this video will definitely improve your trading and your entry skill. So in this example, you can see this is our higher time frame structure in a 15-minute. As you know that I'm a day trader in a forex market, and I use 15 minute as a higher time frame and 1 minute for the entry, and I don't use any other time frame for the entry. And so in this case, as you can see, market is a bearish and market break the structure into downside, and the previous one you can see also market break the structure here, and after taking out the inducement, market tap on this extreme order block and then push downside. And some people say that why not this order block is here and why not this one, because these are all smart money trap. Why? Below it there is no inducement, that's why these are all smart money trap. Which one is here? First one is here and the next one is here. Market tap here, give a little bit reaction to the downside and then market push upside, and most of the smart money traders trap here for the sell and they mark every order block, but in reality every order block is not working. Only few order block working. When market taken out the liquidity, then your order block most of the chances will be work. Same thing happen here. Market tap on the first one, give a reaction and then push higher, and the next attempt what happened here, market tap on this one and then give a reaction, and people get involved here, and lot of people involved here into 1 minute, and few members are trade in a seconds time frame and they involve here for the sell. And then what happened here, market taken out the all stop loss and then push downside, and the actual order block is here on the extreme one. Why? Because this is our extreme one. Above it there is no order block available here. Even if market fail this order block, it doesn't mean that market momentum is a change. Market momentum doesn't change here. If market break this high, which is actual high, lower high, if market break this high, then structure will be changed. And if market is a trading below this low, it means market momentum still varies and you have to look for the sell entry, right? So same thing happen here in the next attempt. You can see market break the structure is here. After break the structure, what happened here, you can see multiple order block is here. First one is here, market give a reaction, lot of people introduce here for the sell, and the next attempt what happened here, some people mark this as a order block and some people mark this as a order block, right? And some people mark this as a order block and someone is a here. But in reality, every order block is not working, and order block is not SMC. Main thing is your structure, liquidity, and then find the entry. These three things you need to know before the buy and sell, correct? So after break the structure, when we can sell, which is actual POI. As I mentioned in previous videos that only 2 POI actually work after taking out the inducement and after taking out the engineering liquidity. You can say in another word, the first one, which is you called decisional POI, and the extreme POI. Only 2 POI actually work, and between the extreme and decisional, all POI is your smart money trap. So in this case, you can see market break the structure. So when we can sell, after taking out the inducement, first one is here and you can sell here. Where is the next POI? This candle is our next POI. Why? Because market taken out the inducement and you can sell into lower time frame. So this is your first POI when we can sell, and the next entry is a possible after taking out the engineering liquidity. Okay, so at this point, if you look here into lower time frame in a 1 minute, and possibly you can get on a break even and maybe your stop loss, and it's depend on the next entry is here after taking out the engineering liquidity. And you have to remember one thing in your mind, decisional POI work 50-50%, maybe market push downside upside in your favor and maybe wrong way. Okay, and the extreme one is a more high probability compared to the decisional. That's why extreme is a high probability. Okay, so in this case, when we can sell here, where is the engineering liquidity? This one is our engineering liquidity. This one, why is this one is our engineering liquidity? I will make a separate video about this one. Okay, why? Because this is our last extreme high, lower high in terms of the internal structure. Above it, anything above it, so this one is called our engineering liquidity, right? I will make a separate video about engineering engineering liquidity and inducement, and this will help you a lot to understand engineering liquidity, inducement, what happening between this type of liquidity. So when we can sell here, after taking out the engineering liquidity, when we can sell, you have a chance that this one is our extreme order block is here. And why I did not sell here, and you have another chance here for sell, because this one is our order flow. If you know that how order flow is a work, you can watch my video. I already uploaded that how order flow is working. So this is our entire order flow. You don't need to mitigate this order block, because order block came from the order flow, right? So order flow is an important, order block is a refined version of the order flow. So when market taken out the engineering liquidity and tap on this order flow, I am introduced here for the sell, and no need to mitigate this one. If market push higher, something like this one, like this, okay, and go higher and mitigate something this one, and this is our additional confirmation, and you can also sell here because market actual high is here. If anything happen between this high or low, this means we are looking for the sell, not for the buy. Main momentum is a bearish, okay. So if anything happen after taking out the engineering liquidity, I'm introduced for the sell. Main thing is my engineering liquidity, not this order block. Order block is not SMC. Order block is just additional confluence for the buy and sell, right? So after taking out the engineering liquidity, maybe market sweep this high, and maybe market taken out this high and tap this order flow, and then give any reaction into lower time frame, then we can sell, and you can stack multiple positions using single candle order block. Now let's see what happened next here. Market trying to push higher. In the first attempt, you can see market just sweep the liquidity. After sweep this liquidity, you can sell here into lower time frame. This big act like our PY, as you know, and the next area of interest when we can sell is here. Why? Because this is our order flow, right? So if you back into the 1 minute chart then let's see what happened here into 1 minute, and then how you can take entry here. So this was our 15-minute wick was here, and after this one, when we can sell here, you have to wait for the chalk in the lower time frame, which one is here. This is our minor structure. At least break in this structure after taking out this low, something like this, okay, and after break this structure, taking out the inducement, and we can sell here, right? So this is our entry module for the sell, okay. And the next area of interest is here, which is already tapped here into 15-minute PY zone, you can say order flow, right? So in this case, when we can sell here, market already tapped here, and you have to wait for the break the structure. This one is our recent internal low is here, and M1 minor structure is here. So after break this structure, and you can sell after taking out the inducement, and then we can sell here. So this is our entry module, and after taking out the inducement is here, right? Something like this. Then we can start selling single candle mitigation entry, which one is here, previous candle sweep and then sell, previous candle sweep and then sell. These type entry module is very important for you, right? So let's see what happened next here, and what is possible scenario is here. Market break the structure is here, character, because market break the first internal low is here, and this is our internal structure in 1 minute, and price already mitigate the higher time frame PY. So after break the structure is here, you can say change of character, okay. So when we can sell here in this case, where is our inducement? First thing you have to mark where is your inducement. So in this case, where is your inducement is here. After taking out the inducement, we can sell our bid, because this is our first point, which is also known as smart money trap. You can say this order block is our smart money trap. Why? Below it there is no inducement. If market create structure something like this in 1 minute structure, okay, and break this high and market push higher, so this PY act like our true SMC order block is here, and then we can sell. Why? Because this high act like our inducement. Right now in this picture there is no inducement, so this high act like an inducement, and above it we can sell here. Which one is here? Because this order block is our high probability order block. Why? Because it's took out the previous candle high, which you can see here, this one, right? Market taken out the previous candle high, close below it. This is our strong indication that market actually looking for the sell. All right, let's see what happened next here. Market trying to push downside, continue pushing downside, and right now market in a single move is still here, and our entry is valid here, okay. Now let's see what is a possible scenario is here. You can see here market break this minor structure is here, as I mentioned, right? So this is our single move is here, And what happened here? Market take a pullback and push downside, right? Something like this. Okay, so where is our inducement? This inducement shift here to here, and this is our first inducement. And after taking out the inducement, we can sell here, and you can add multiple position in single candle mitigation order block, and this is become our extreme one, right? And why not this one? This one is also extreme, but this is not much high probability compared to this one. So this one is more high probability compared to this one, and this is our bigger order block is here, right? So let's see what happened next here and when we can sell here. If market taken out this high, so when we can sell here, you have a two possible scenario in this case. First is here, if market go higher, taking out this high and sweep the liquidity. Okay, if market sweep the liquidity, something like this, so we can sell as per the our entry plan. And the next entry is here, if market continue close above it. Okay, in the left side you can see there is no order block is here. This one is our order block, but this is not a much valid order block. Why? This order block did not take out the liquidity previous candle high, right? So when we can take another entry is here, if market break the structure is here, right? So we can sell here on the extreme one. And the next possible scenario is here, if market close above it, for example, then when we can sell, we can sell taking out this internal structure is here, and possible here any order block, then we can sell, right? So these 2-3 possible scenario is here for the sell. You have to prepare on the both side and every direction, right? So let's see what is the next scenario is here. You can see market is trying to push higher but unable to break this previous high. So what happened here? You can see market again break this minor structure is here and here. So where is our inducement? This high become our new inducement because this is our recent internal high, which is also known as inducement. So price must be taken out the inducement before the drop. So when we can sell here, after taking out the inducement and after taking out the engineering liquidity. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, all right, so you can see here market break this high. And what happened here? As I mentioned, if market taken out this high and sweep the liquidity, and we can sell here after, and the next possible entry is here on the extreme. So here we can sell here. Market just sweep the liquidity in case if market close above it. So how we can take entry at this point? We can take entry if market close above it, give a little bit pullback and push higher, break this minor structure and push downside and mitigate this order block and push downside. So this is our next possible entry. So right now how we can take entry is here, after sweep this previous high, we can sell here on this order block, which one is here, and put the stop loss just above it. Why? Because this is our entry is here, right? So we can sell here on this order block. And why? Because this is our single candle order block, and we can set our stop loss above it, and target is 15-minute structure low, which one is here. Let's switch into the 15-minute. Let's see what happened next here. So this one is our 15-minute target is here, and this is our almost 16 RR trade, right? Now let's back into the 1-minute chart. Right now we can sell here, and my entry tap here and push downside. Okay, and after break the first internal low is here, which one is here, I set my stop loss and break even. I took this trade personally on my account, and you can see here, right? So this is my first trade and I can take here. So this is our single candle mitigation based on the entry. So where is the next entry possible is here. We can take entry, next possible entry is here if market taken out the inducement here, and we can sell here, right? So in this case you don't need to wait for the mitigate any order block or anything. You have to wait for the taken out the engineering liquidity or taken out the inducement, then we can buy and sell, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, right now market trying to push higher. If market break the structure is here, okay, and close, break the slow, and this one is our inducement, and the next attempt market just sweep the liquidity, and then we can sell. In the next attempt, when we can sell here, where is the next PY when we can take? So you can see in this position, where is the our next possible area when we can take entry for the sell. So this high become our inducement, which one is here, right? So market taken out the previous high, and a lot of people mark this is our order block, but in reality this is not our order block. Why? Because this one is not taken out the previous candle high, and this is our inside bar between this major like bearish candle is here and the smaller bullish candle is here, and this candle not break the previous low, not break the previous high. So why we can't use this one? So how we can use this one? This is not a valid order block. This is smart money trap, and a lot of people are trying to sell here, break the structure, sell here. No, this one is not here. And above it here you can see this order block is here. Which one is here? And you can sell here. Why? Because it took out the previous candle low, and there is also available minor imbalance. And if you can see on the extreme one, whereas the next one is here. Okay, this one is our extreme big, which is unmitigated. So in this case we use only two order block, as I mentioned, that first one after taking out the inducement and next one after taking out the engineering liquidity. So in this case only one high is here. So in this case the engineering liquidity and inducement are same on this point. So this one is our extreme one. If you are selling here, for example, if you are selling here, then must be put the stop loss just above it, right? And if you are selling here, then this one is our high probability. Why? Because this is our extreme, and because it's took out the all liquidity. That's why this big is more important and more powerful compared to the first and second one. This one is here, right? So let's see what happened next here and how we can trade here. All right, market trying to push higher and continue trying to go higher. You can see why this happened here, why this move happened here, because this is smart money trap. You have to aware of this type of order block, and lot of people get trapped here. And this one is also smart money trap. And why this one is high probability? Because it took out the previous candle low, and this one is our high probability order block. Market tap on the extreme one. After tapping the extreme one, you can sell on the next entry is here. Possible stop loss just above it, and the stop loss above it, and the target will be same 15-minute measure low, which one is here, right? So this can be your next entry. And how we can take another entry is here, which is single candle mitigation based on the entry. First order block is here, which is sweep by this one. If you can see like here, if I zoom here, then you can understand more better. And this video is a very important for you to scale multiple position, because it's took out the previous candle high. Okay, sweep the liquidity and close below it. So where is the our next order block is here? Why I'm choosing this one, and why we can't choose this one? Why? Because these are all smart money trap and price tap on the extreme POI. Which one is here? First, mitigate the higher time frame POI, when we can take risk for the buyer and sell. In this terms, this is our higher time frame. Okay, so what happened here and how we can take entry here? Market tap the this POI and give a reaction. Single candle order block is here, and we can sell here and put the stop loss just above it. So this is our possible entry here. Okay, and safer stop loss just above it, right? So why I'm choosing this one? Because this order block have a proper imbalance. And why not this bullish candle? Because the last bullish candle before the sell, this one is not here, this one. Why? Because it's took out the previous candle high. Okay, this candle was the previous candle taken out the high, and this was the last buying candle before this drop, right? So we can sell here. Candle color doesn't matter, remember. And lot of people confuse to mark the candle color, the bullish candle and the bearish candle, right? Candle of the color doesn't matter here, right? Let's see what happened next here and what is the possible scenario is here. This is our new entry. Let's see what happened next here. Market tap here, and this is called single candle mitigation entry. Now let's see what happened next here. Okay, price trying to go higher and higher. Why price trying to go higher? This one on this order block, and some people buying here because they mark the anything here, the boss chalk, something like this is a chalk, and this may be boss. Okay, so a lot of people mark this type of things, but in reality this is not your order block. This is your smart money trap, right? So this one is your smart money trap, and a lot of people introduce here for the buy, but in reality you know very well that this is not our like demand zone. Why? Because market momentum is a bearish, price taking out the low, and market break the structure here, and this one is our minor structure. Okay, so what is the next possible entry is here. If market give any entry is here, something like this. Okay, like simply you can say sweep the previous candle high or low, and then you can sell. Okay, now let's see what happened next here. You can see market break the structure is here and create something like this one. Okay, so where is our inducement? This high. After taking out the inducement, we can sell here, and the next possible entry is here. If market unable to break this high, then what happen here? Market break this low. Okay, like this, and then we can sell after taking out the inducement. mitigate something here, and then sell. These type of entry available here for the sell. So let's see what happened next here and what is possible scenario is here. What happened here? Market taken out the previous one, right? And in this case, a lot of people are trying to sell here, but you can, in this case, you can also sell here at this point, which one is here, right? So we can sell, and the next entry is here or here, okay, and put the stop loss just above it. And in this case, you don't need to like sweep the liquidity or closer above it. Why? Because above it there is no order block, no PY above it, so we can take directly entry here after taking out the inducement. This is our order block when we can take risk for the sell, and stop loss just above it, and target will be same, the 15-minute measure low, which one is here, right? So after taking out the inducement, we always sell, right? And the next entry is possible on the extreme. So in this case, the first is here, there is a no extreme because market structure moving something like this, okay? So what happened here? Market break this high like this, and this is our inducement, taking out the inducement, mitigate something here, this is order block, and then we can expect to the downside, okay? So let's see what happened next here. Market have another entry is here, right? And then possible to the downside. So what happened here? When we can take the next entry is here. This one is market just sweep the liquidity. After sweep the liquidity, we can't sell here. Market must be taken out this high, which one is here. After taking out this high, this is our inducement, then we can sell. Don't try to sell here. A lot of people are trying to sell here, but in reality, this order block is not exist here for the sell, okay? So you have to wait for the candle closure below downside, and then we can sell. So let's see what happened next here. Market finally break this minor structure is here. Where is the our next internal high? This one is our next possible high, and you can sell after taking out this high, right? So this is our first internal high is here because market moving something like this, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, market trying to push higher, and then what happened here? Market finally break this minor structure is here. Market is still pushing downside, and you have to mark your actual structure first to confirm this one. Like this one is your actual structure, something like this one, okay? Break the structure, and possible is here if market taken out the inducement is here, okay? So finally market taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, when we can sell here? We can sell on 2 PY. First one on the after taking out the inducement, and the second entry we can take on the extreme one. So this one can be your next entry because market sweep this high, this one is our inducement, and put the stop loss just above it, and target will be same. And in this case, market hit your stop loss because inducement entry, or you can say decisional entry, give you 50% chance maybe market push downside and upside. In this step, why this inducement work? Because in this case only one inducement is here, there is no extreme, okay? Extreme and inducement both are same. In this case, same thing happen here. After taking out the inducement, where is our order flow? Where is our order block? This one is our extreme, market tap here and push downside. In this case, market taken out the inducement and push downside, and you can sell on the single candle mitigation based entry, okay? So where is the next entry is here possible after taking out this high? If market taken out this high, we can sell here, okay? So let's see what happened next here. All right, so market did not taken this high, and what happened here? If you can see here, create structure something like this, and again break the major structure is here, and this one is our new break of structure. After break the structure, where is our new entry is here? After taking out the inducement, in this case, when we can take entry for the sell, this one become our new entry is here. Why this one? Because this one is our order flow, right? And this is our unmitigated order flow. After taking out this liquidity, you can say this is a trendline liquidity, market tap here, and then give a reaction, and then we can sell. And another type of entry available here, if market break this high, which one is here, and just with the liquidity, and market trying to push lower, and you can also sell here, right? And this is a live market. Let's see how it's work, and our target will be here on the 15-minute low, which one is here, and this is our new entry is here. After taking out the inducement, we can sell here. No need to mitigate this order block. So I hope you understand what I explained here, how it work. And now you can see this is our recent trade which I took here. You can see this is our live market, taken out the inducement, sweep the liquidity, and you can sell on the single candle mitigation